Yeah. Good day, everyone. Here is another device placed before us for assessments for repairs. It was, brought to us complaining that it's not working at all. And from what I can see, if you check this switch, it's already worn out. It's not like it's burnt. It's burnt. So we will need to do some resistance check first from the cable end and be sure that it has resistance, and if it does not, that means there's a problem that needs to be fixed. There's a problem that needs to be fixed. So we will do a resistance check. But with this switch now, that the switch has to be put on for this resistance to become a reality, for it to even work. If at all if at all the coil inside is still very okay. But now we can't check this because this switch is bad. So what we'll just do is just to see if we can just open the device. Do we have the screw to it? Do we have the screws to it? All right, the star. We have the screwdriver to lose it. So this is a star screw that's inside. So I pray it's all star, because there are some of these blenders that their screws are different. You see, maybe four out of four screws, three will be star and one will have a very unique head that is far different from the star. So find it difficult accessing such device, such blenders. So I don't know. Okay, this one is coming out. I've been able to lose one. Is the second one, then the third one. It's like this one has no screw. Okay, that's what it has. The screw is already rusted. There are some rusts. I pray we are able to open this. I pray we are able to close this. This is what's happening. Let me bring out another screwdriver. This is now removing it, so it needs a very good force, very good turning force with a very powerful. So, so it's only I'm able to remove just so. Let's find a way of losing it. We'll come back for it. Now the screws have been taken out, and This is what we can see from inside. A lot of work has been done. We'll try our best to see if we can do anything, any magic. I can see a lot of bad work, on inside. Work has been done. A lot of things are not in place. See, and it's shaking. It's not really. They are not in good shape. A lot of things are there that are not properly positioned. So we'll see what we can do. Now with this, let us check. Now I can see this is the switch I was talking about. This is the contacts, the connection to the switch that I was talking about initially that said was not too good. Let us check if the switch is okay as in internally. Now it is not showing that it is connected to each other. So we will need to see if we can connect them together and see if that will power on this device. Then I will use my tweezer to bridge it, to bridge the switch. I need to use my tweezer to bridge the switch. And let us assume. Now let us check if the switch will come on now. So the switch is on, and now let us check the cable. See if the coil. Oh, tweezer is already displaced. Now let's check it again if it is still contacting. All right, good. Now let's check if the coil is still okay. Check the screen. Check the screen. Now we can see some values on the screen showing that if this is plugged to work. So the problem of this one is the switch. The switch is damaged. It's bad. So we can connect it directly or replace the switch and it will be back to normal. But let us be sure that I want to believe this will work with this resistance value that we have gotten from this reading. I believe the multimeter, the blender will work, will rotate, and to do its work. But my challenge is, if you check the inside, there are some metallic objects that are not well positioned. So I don't want to power it on when these things are not properly situated. So all of this will be done, and then we will see if we can come back for the video. And then just in case we decide not to come back, if you are new, please like, subscribe to our channel, and then drop your comments. If you are new, please, we'd like for you to also drop your comments, subscribe as well, and then we'll respond to your comments on our comment section. See you in the next video. So in case we don't come back for the completion of this video, if you are new to, watching our videos, please, we'd like for you to subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and your comments, we appreciate it. We'll also reply your comments. In case you have any questions you need to ask, please do well to ask those questions. And in case you have been around, you have subscribed, you have been watching our videos, we'd like for you to also give us your comments, give us some likes, as that will help our visibility in the YouTube world. Thank you, and see you in the next video.